Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Giants Bank. Giants Bank provides a wide range of traditional banking and innovative technology services to individuals and business clients. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a www.giantsbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Giants Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on it. Here you will see the login form page. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on the link given, that is Enroll Now. At very first, you need to select this service, whether that is online banking and mobile banking, direct connect and direct connect with bill pay. Here you need to select any of your service, then you click on continue. Now here at the authentication section, you need to provide the following details. Very first, ATM or Visa debit card. Then you go in for providing your PIN. Here you need to select your card type by clicking on the drop-down menu, that is ATM or Visa or debit card. Then you go in for providing your last 4 digits of social security number. After you filled up all the details, you need to click on continue. Then you will be moved forward to review and confirmation, where you need a verification. Then at last you will move towards to login information, where you will be provided your user ID and password. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Giants Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Giants Bank. Thank you.